Hi, this is James from tracyandmatt.co.uk and from unboxings.com, and I'm here with Mark from Motorola, and as you can see in front of us we have the Zoom. So Mark's going to give us a quick demo of the Zoom in action. Over to you, Mark.
Thanks, James. So here we go, the Motorola Zoom. Let me take you through the hardware first. So first thing you'll see from the design is there's no physical buttons on the front, which is designed specifically for Honeycomb, because all of the UI drives the experience. You don't need any physical buttons, Android keys that you would have before. On the front you have a front-facing 2 megapixel camera for video conferencing. If I flip it to the bottom you can see the various ports there. You've got the HDMI, USB contacts, and you've got a charging point there. If I flip it over you'll see on the reverse we have the power button on the end there, which can turn the screen on and off and turn the device on and off. You've got 2 stereo speakers, you've got a 5 megapixel rear facing camera, dual LED flash for taking photos and also videos up to 720p quality. On the top you've got your port, which comes out here, that has your micro SD slot and your SIM card slot, and you have a 3.5mm headset jack on the top. And then on the side you've got your volume keys up and down for your multimedia. So going back to the screen, what you'll see is various different things in the 4 corners. On the left side here you have the ability to go back to an application, go directly to home, or most recently used apps. So I can click on that and it will give me the most recently used applications for quick and easy access. The bottom right, it will be the time and your status of your battery and your Wi-Fi. If I click on that there, it'll also tell me what the date is and give me any recently downloaded or used applications that are in the bottom corner there.
What is the expected battery life on the Zoom?
So for video playback, for example, we quote 10 hours of video time for playback.
That'll do nicely.
Okay, so plenty of video time for you. At the top left we have the Google search area, so you can search directly with Google, either just typing in or through the voice search. Top right you have the quick access to your app tray and also to be able to customize your screens. So let me go to the screens themselves. There's 5 panels for which you can customize with various different applications and widgets. I've preloaded quite a few widgets on here just to show you some of the new widgets in Honeycomb. For example, you've got the YouTube widget at the top there, which you can scroll through nice and quick. You've got here you've got scrollable widgets for your email, so you can have direct access to your email. On this side you've got scrollable widgets again for your browser and also for the books. So a lot of the new applications which I'm going to show you have direct controllable widgets from the home screen to make it very nice, quick and easy for you to do. If you wanted to customize the display, you hit the plus button at the top and this gives you the various widget options that you're able to go and put on any of your panels. So if I wanted to add another YouTube widget, for example, I'd click on that, hold it and drag it onto that panel, drop it in there. If I wanted to go and view that, I just hit directly onto the panel there and it comes up with the videos. Nice and easy. Again, you can also add app shortcuts, wallpapers, anything you like. Change the wallpaper, add an app shortcut. If I want to just add a contacts one, I can just drag that on there as well and that would open it directly. It's very nice and easy to use. If I go into the apps tray, this is where you store all of the apps, both the preloaded and the downloaded ones. So you can see here we've installed some, but you also get a whole load of applications directly in the Android experience. When you fill this panel, you can just swipe it to the left side and it fills up another panel and you continue to swiping. You've got 32 gig of onboard memory, and then the expandable memory card will support up to an additional 32. So that's everything there. So let me show you some of the new applications that we get in Honeycomb, which has been designed specifically for the Motorola Zoom. So first of all you have browser.
That's a nice website.
There you go. We have a Tracy and Matt website there, so you can see how nice and easy and quick that is to scroll through. You've got a dual core 1 gigahertz processor. You've also got a gig of RAM on there, so it's very quick to be able to scroll through the different items on your browser. You've also got now different tabs, so you can go and add another tab, add 2 tabs, add 3 tabs. You see how quickly those tabs come up. We've got 802.11n Wi-Fi support, so everything is lightning fast. You can just go and check on the latest news we have here. So I can show you the speed of loading one of the pages. Everything loads very quickly. And you can see on there a lot of your recent news for the Tracy and Matt website. So that's the browser. If I take you to the maps, I can show you the new Maps 5.0. So Here we have a terrain view of maps specifically hit into Birmingham. Android, on Android there are various different cities in the UK that also support 3D maps. If you see at the top here, you've got all the different items for navigation, for my direct location, the different layers. If I take the satellite layer off, it will take me to this view. I can then scroll straight down into Birmingham city centre, and what you'll see as I get closer is you'll see all of the 3D buildings pop up. So you can see here all the 3D buildings. If I do that with my fingers, you'll see the 3D buildings coming to life. I can then rotate, I can scroll in, scroll out, rotate it round, tilt it up again. So I can be on the top or be on the bottom. So it's a very nice way of interacting in a tablet environment on Maps 5.0. You can also have street views. If I click on the name there, I can go straight to street view. That'll take me to the street, and then you have this little guy here with his interest in orange. You can actually use to scroll down the street. I think that's a one-way street that way. There you go. So it doesn't go any further. You can see that you can then navigate your way through.
I wonder if they've managed to capture any of the prisoners being led out the court into the prison vans there.
We will see. Not on this one. So you can see that you can just quickly and easily walk down the street. So if you want to go on holiday, you wanted to check out the location of your hotel, see what the neighbourhood's like, then you can go and do that nice and easy with Maps 5.0.
Sweet.
So that's Maps. Let me take you to the Books application. So here you go, here's the books. We've got a couple of preloaded books available. If I go and click on that, you can then go and read the book. And you can see it's a very nice way of reading and interacting with the books that you're going to read here.
Where are the books purchased from? Is it Motorola's own bookstore? Or?
It's available. These ones are actually we preloaded. This will be part of the Android market when that is released over the coming weeks. So you better have a little look and feel of that when we get that one announced and released. So you have all of the different books available there. You can read it in landscape or in portrait mode depending on what you want to do. So that's the Books application. If I show you Gmail, so the whole Gmail app has been completely redesigned, so it's specifically for a tablet. So you now have all the different folders view here and all of the different the preview views here. If I go and open that, it shifts to the side. You get a full readout of the email with all the threading that you would expect just in the traditional Gmail view. So very nice, easy way to interact. You can quickly archive, send new messages, delete or any other thing that you've got in there. So very nice Gmail application. If I show you another one which is very easy on the eye, which is this new YouTube application. So it's a 3D UI here, which makes you feel like you're inside a cylinder and you've got all of your videos around you. So you can see how quickly that's rendering the videos that are available there. I've just got a new email message directly in. I can just go and click on one of the videos. So there's this playable Angry Birds birthday cake. Let's see what that one looks like. You can tap on that and then make it into full screen. And this is streaming live over Wi-Fi. So you'll see how quickly this renders. There's no lag. The graphics is very smooth. And then you've also obviously got the audio through the dual stereo speakers. So that's the new YouTube application. Very nice and easy to search through that using either just quick text input or voice search as well. Let me show you a video. So here we go. We have a high definition video here which outputs very nicely on this display. It's a 1280 by 800 display. It'll also output to 1080p through an HDMI connection to your TV. So if you just have a look at this video, just look at the richness of the graphics, the smoothness of the transitions, and also the audio quality.
I think we're getting a bit too much reflection to see the beauty of it. I'll take your word for it. No, on the camera, it's I'm getting a reflection of myself and the teacups, that sort of thing. But to the naked eye, it looks fantastic.
Okay, so there we have the video. The other things I was going to show you.
Can we have a quick look at the camera interface,
Absolutely.
please?
So if I go straight to camera, you'll see here we've got the little speaker dock that we have here. So here's the camera interface here. You can quickly and easily toggle between the front-facing and rear-facing camera. So if you wanted a little quick shot of the video, then there you go. There's James live on video there. Just quickly going from between the 2 and the 5 megapixel. You can then just take a photo quickly. So it's very nice and easy. Just take that, it'll zoom in, focus, and take the photo. And then you have the preview view at the bottom left there, and you can scroll right in so you see the quality of the image. So you see there 5 megapixel. Again with the video, it's the same UI. You just switch to video mode by toggling across to the left. That'll switch to video mode, and then you can capture a video in 720p. So it's very nice, easy, and having that large display as a viewfinder is fantastic. So really, I guess that's a good quick overview of the new UI from Honeycomb on the Motorola XOOM, available in store soon.
How soon?
Very soon, but if you go to some websites, they're already quoting availability dates, so go and check out your online retailers in the UK. We have with Dixon's, Carphone Warehouse and Best Buy, so they're the places to go get one of these.
Lovely, thank you very much.